nice little bass. I think it's a bass. It should be. He's pulling pretty hard. Yeah, it's a bass. He's pulling good, man. This is the biggest bass I've ever caught out of this pond, out of this part. It's a nice little bass. Yeah, nothing huge. Yeah, these are good little bass. Yeah, he's a largemouth. See, when they blow up their gills like that, it makes them look like a smallmouth. Or they got the smaller mouth. All right, cool, nice fish. Oh, redfish crack. Got us a little sunny here. Oh no, it's a bass. I thought it was a sunny. Woo, all right. Golly, we're catching a couple of bass. Yep. Here we go. Largemouth it is. At least we're catching them.